The ocean, home to coral reefs and other underwater plants, to over 30,000 species of fish, to sea turtles and all other marine life. But our beautiful oceans are in trouble. In the past 10 years, we have created more plastic than all plastic ever made up until the year 2000. Consequently, billions of pounds of waste are added to our oceans every year. About 15 to 51 trillion pieces of plastic live in our oceans today. Not a single square mile of surface ocean is free of plastic pollution, and most is caused by human activities. Debris such as plastic bags and other single-use plastics float in our oceans and harm marine life, such as fish, turtles, and seabirds, often killing them due to entanglement or poisoning. At this rate, there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish by 2050. Plastics and other harmful substances can transfer into the tissue of the marine life that we consume, additionally harming humans as well as aquatic species. So how can we contribute to reducing the amount of pollution we create? Cut down on usage of single-use plastics. Purchase items secondhand from stores such as Goodwill, as well as garage sales or online postings. Make sure to recycle properly.
While speaking of protecting our oceans, we must also look at oil spills and how damaging that is. Since the 1970s, ITOPF has maintained records of the oil spills. And while in recent years they have done a magnificent job at keeping major oil spills contained, they unfortunately still happen. This is very impactful on our marine life, and while the most common images we see are avian animals covered in oil, it also destroys the delicate balance of planktons and coral reefs down below. So we have to consider that even though the last major spill totaling 287,000 tons was back in 1979, almost 6 million tons have been spilled in our oceans, creating havoc for so many species. So what is being done to prevent this from happening? ITOPF is leading the world in training and education of people working on tankers and offshore oil rigs on what to do should an event like this unfold. Even then, for people wondering how they can help should a major oil spill happen on our shores, most of the time you won't actually be able to help with the animals themselves. That's usually left to the professionals. However, sometimes they will need help with the pre-cleaning of the beaches to make cleanup easier for crews. So remember, whether it's plastic pollution or oil pollution, we all have our parts to play in ocean conservation, our most precious resource.
It is our job to treat our oceans with kindness and to make this earth a wonderful place for all things living in it.